when it is here, this is the angle. Angle come from 0, become larger and larger and larger and larger. Okay. So 0 become 10, become 20, become 30, become 40. Then continue to go even bigger, 45. This is 50, this is 40. In between is 45. So each of these small one is actually 1. So 40, 41, 42, 43, 45, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. Okay, so this line actually go through my 47. This is how I read using a protractor. Okay. So my one is 47. You all got protractor? Try to read your one. Your one may be a bit different from my one. Read it. Haris got protractor? Next. Between 46 and 47. Read carefully. Because when I was marking, a lot of students they draw correctly, but when they put their protractor, 47 they read as 40.2. The reading is off. Okay, then all these you all by right learn in Sec 2. Then Sec 3, the new one is perpendicular bisector of AB. Perpendicular means 90 degrees. Bisector means to separate into two exact parts. So AB is here. To split it exactly into two, and we have a perpendicular line. All this is using compass. So compass is the most important. You can set your compass to a distance. You put one end at B. It should be roughly, it should be more than half of AB. Okay? So it can be like that. Then you put one end at one side already, you draw an arc on top of AB, here, and then you draw an arc below AB. Okay? Then don't change the distance and move the center to A. Then again, draw the arc above A and below the line AB. Then you will have one intersection above AB, one intersection below AB. When you put center at A, you draw an arc. You put center at B, you draw an arc. There will be one intersection here. And then the same distance, you cross it below AB, you will give you another intersection. These two intersections, you take a ruler and then you join them together. The intersection that happened above AB and then the intersection that happened below AB, you join them together. That will be the perpendicular bisector. It will cut A and B exactly into half, and here will be 90 degrees. And these two distances will be the same. Okay, perpendicular bisector. Then, last one. Bisector of angle BAC. So first, you must know where is the angle BAC. BAC, the angle is at A. Here. We want to bisect the angle, means we want to cut this angle exactly into two equal angles. So the technique again is using your compass. Put your center at A. Okay, you can. Then any length you set also okay one. You after you set your compass already, cut AB and also cut AC on these two lines. Cut AC, cut AB. Then you will have 2 points. 1 point here, 1 point here. Then we are going to take these 2 points as the center and cut further away from the angle A. So again, I draw another arc. Then I move here. Center, I draw another arc. Where they intersect here, if I join it to angle A, it will divide angle A exactly into two. Okay, so I cut here, then using this as center, I cut here and I cut here. This will divide angle A exactly into two. Okay. The reason is when we use the same distance, this distance and this distance is the same. Then if I draw a dotted line here, this distance is also the same. This distance is the same. It is actually like a diamond shape like that. So the diamond shape, the diagonal will exactly cut this into two. Okay. So everything is with your compass one. Okay. Okay, last of the last. Simplify. Again, come to the, when you see the question, you must in your mind know what they are saying. So this one is saying you have a number, then you subtract away a multiplication of two numbers. Okay, so this is actually 4 times x minus away 2 multiply a bracket. This is what it means. When they say simplify, they just want you to remove the bracket and to make the thing look simple. Okay? So going back to primary school maths, your BODMAS do what first? We always do bracket first, then we follow by the O is operator. In this case don't have, this means your index, there is no index. So the next one will be division, multiplication, followed by addition, followed by subtraction. So bracket is always the first thing to do one. So in this case it is a multiplication, then you will bracket. This one is multiplication, this one is subtraction. So 4 and x, they are multiplication, they are together already, 4 times x, minus 2 times bracket. So 2, this side is multiplication, we have to first finish the multiplication, we have to do this expansion. It is a multiplication of a number and a bracket. So the negative belongs to the 2, and then we are going to multiply negative 2 to the bracket. So we have to multiply everything that is inside the bracket. Just a simple expansion, rainbow method. So negative 2 times positive x. Negative 2 times positive x is negative 2x. Negative 2 times negative 3. Negative become positive. 2 times 3 becomes 6. Okay. So this question is actually just asking you to do this only. And then 4x minus 2x is 2x. 6 cannot combine with anything else, so it's just like that. So this question is actually very simple. Okay. When I was marking your papers, I don't know why got students go and multiply until got x squared, all this come out. They create more things when it is just multiply negative 2 to the bracket. Okay? Okay. Just now we did a factorization that is more simple. Just take out the 2. This factorization is a bit more difficult because there are 4 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there isn't a common factor across all the 4 terms. 2 times a times x, 5 times b times x, minus 4 times a times y, minus 10 times b times y. We don't have a common factor in all the 4 terms. So we have to do them 2 by 2. Okay? Then we have to group them 2 by 2. I think it is easier after marking all the papers to arrange them a bit. Plus, this one is plus, plus 2ax, plus, this is minus, this is minus. So I think it is easier if we arrange, keep this one, then we bring a minus to the front. So this got 2, got a, got x. This, we look at the 2 minus 1. This minus 4ay got a inside. Here got a. So it will be good to move this to the front. The entire minus 4ay will move to the front. Okay. Then we have plus minus, then plus, plus 5bx. The plus belongs to the 5bx, so the 5bx, entire 5bx we move behind minus 4ay. And then plus minus plus the last one, your minus 10by. once we are able to arrange them, plus minus, and they have common factor, both the front and the back can be divided by 2, can be divided by A. 2ax take out 2a, left with a. 4ay take out 2a, negative, still negative, left with 2y. If I multiply it back in, 2a times x will give me 2ax. 2a times negative 2y will give me 4ay. So how I find this number is I take this divided by 2a. 4 divided by 2, 2. ay divided by a, left with y. Okay? So we factorize 2 at a time. Then these 2 both can be divided by 5 and b. 5bx divided by 5b, I will be left with x. Multiply 5b times x, I get back 5bx. 10by, this is minus 10by divided by 5b, 10 divided by 5, I have 2. by divided by b and b divide, cancel, left with 1. Okay. Once I can get to this step, this is actually 2 times a times bracket. Here is 5 times b times bracket. The two brackets are exactly the same, meaning this factor is common. The entire bracket is a factor. It is common in the front and the back. So again, I can take out what is common. The common one is the bracket. After I take out what is common, this whole thing divided by bracket, left with 2a. This whole thing divided by the bracket, left with 5b.